auxiliary circle, notations, parametric equations, and one theorem. We start example problems. First one is first example, PG number 141. Find the eccentricity, coordinates of foci, length of the lattice rectum, and equation of the directrices of the following ellipses. First one is 9x square plus 16y square minus 36x plus 32y minus 92 is equal to 0. Second one is 3x square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. Find the eccentricity, coordinates of foci, length of the lattice rectum, and equation of the directrices of the following ellipses. First one equation of the ellipse. 9x square plus 16y square minus 36x plus 32y minus 92 is equal to 0. This is the first ellipse. Plus 32y minus 92 is equal to 0. Given equation of the ellipse transformed or reduced into various forms of the ellipse. Various forms of the ellipse is, first one is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. A is greater than b. Second one is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. A is less than b. Third one is x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equal to 1. A is greater than b. Fourth one is x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square equal to 1. A is less than b. Given equation transformed or reduced into 4 ellipses. 4 ellipses. This is the various forms of the ellipse. First of all, given equation reduced into various forms of the ellipse. First of all, write down x square x term and y square y term. 9x square minus 36x plus 16y square plus 32y minus 92 is equal to 0. First of all, common into first two term, only constant common. 9 common. 9 ones are 9 fours are. Again common into y square and y term, 16 common. 16 common. Y square plus 2y minus 92 is equal to 0. 9 into x square minus 4x is equal to, write down 2 into x into 2. 2 into 2x or 2 into x into 2 plus 16 into y square plus 2y is equal to, write down 2 into y into 1 minus 92 is equal to 0. Minus 92 is equal to 0. 9 into, let x is the a square minus 2ab. Here b is equal to 2. So, adding and subtracting 2 square. This is the form a square minus 2ab plus b square. So, adding and subtracting here 2 square plus 16 into, let y is the a square plus 2ab. Here b is equal to 1. So, adding and subtracting 1 square minus 92 is equal to 0. 9 into x square minus 2x into 2 plus 2 square is equal to, write down, x minus 2 whole square minus 2 square means 4. A square minus 2ab plus b square equal to a minus b whole square plus 16 into y square plus 2y into 1 plus 1 square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, a plus b whole square minus 1 whole square means 1 minus 92 is equal to 0. This total value multiply with 9. 9 into x minus 2 whole square, 9 4s are 36. This total value multiply with 16. 16 into y plus 1 whole square minus 16 1s are 16 minus 92 is equal to 0. 9 into x minus 2 whole square plus 16 into y plus 1 whole square minus 36 minus 16 minus 92. Minus 92 minus 16 minus 36. 6 6 12. 12 to 14. 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 9 14. Minus 144 is equal to 0. Taking 144 right side. 9 into x minus 2 whole square plus 16 into y plus 1 whole square is equal to 144. Both sides divided with 144. 9 into x minus 2 whole square by 144 plus 16 into y plus 1 whole square by 144 is equal to 144 by 144. 9 1s are 9 16s are 16 1s are 16 9s are 144 1s are 144. Again write down x minus 2 whole square by 16 is equal to 4 square plus y plus 1 is equal to, write down, y minus of minus 1 whole square by 9 means 3 square is equal to 1. This is the comparing with x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equal to 1. Here h is equal to 2, h is equal to 2, k is equal to minus 1, a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 3. b is equal to 3. Here a is greater than b. A is greater than b by using the third formulas. Third formulas by using the x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equal to one formula. First one is find the eccentricity. E is equal to under root of a square minus b square by a square. A square 4 square, b square 3 square, a square 4 square, 4 square 16, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 16 minus 9, 7 by 16. So, root 7 by 4 is the eccentricity. Second one is coordinates of the foci. Coordinates of the foci, s and s dash, h plus or minus e comma k, h is equal to 2 plus or minus a 4, e root 7 by 4 comma k means minus 1, 4 4 cancel, 2 plus or minus root 7 comma minus 1. This is the foci of an ellipse. Next one is third one. Third one is length of the lattice rectum. Length of the lattice rectum. Length of the lattice rectum formula 2b square by a. 2 into b square 3 square. A means 4. So 2 1 the 2 2 the 3 square means 9 by 2. Length of the lattice rectum 9 by 2. Fourth one is equation of the directrices. Equation of the directrices is x is equal to h plus or minus a by e. X is equal to h plus or minus a by e. X is equal to h 2 plus or minus e 4 by e root 7 by 4. Taking 4 numerator. X equal to 2 plus or minus 4 4s are 16 by root 7. 16 by root 7. X is equal to, here taking LCM, root 7, 2 root 7 plus or minus 16, taking root 7 left side. Root 7 x is equal to 2 root 7 plus or minus 16. 2 root 7 plus or minus 16 is the equation of the directrices of the ellipse is the first one. Here eccentricity is equal to root 7 by 4. Foci 2 plus or minus root 7 comma minus 1. Here length of the lattice rectum 9 by 2. Equation of the directrix root 7x is equal to 2 root 7 plus or minus 16. Next one is second. Next second equation 3x square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. Write x square x term and y square y term. Minus 5 is equal to 0. Common into first two term constant, 3 common, x square minus 2x. Write down y square minus 2y as it is. Again 3 into x square minus 2x is equal to, write down 2 into x into 1. Y square minus 2y is equal to, write down 2 into y into 1. 3 into, this is the a square minus 2ab. So b square means adding and subtracting 1 square. A square minus 2ab. Here b is equal to 1. So adding and subtracting 1 square plus y square minus 2y into 1. This is the form a square minus 2ab. Here is also b is equal to 1. So adding and subtracting 1 square. 3 into x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to, write down x minus 1 whole square minus 1. Again plus y square minus 2y into 1 plus 1 is equal to, write down y minus 1 whole square minus 1 square 1 minus 5 is equal to 0. This is the value totally multiply with 3. 3 into x minus 1 whole square minus 3 plus y minus 1 whole square minus 6 is equal to 0. Minus 1 minus 5 minus 6 is equal to 0. 3 into x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square minus 3 minus 6 minus 9 is equal to 0. 3 into x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to 9. Both sides divided with 9. 3 into x minus 1 whole square by 9 plus y minus 1 whole square by 9 is equal to 9 by 9. 3 1 the 3 3 the 9 1 the 9. So x minus 1 whole square by 3 plus y minus 1 whole square by 9 is equal to 1. This is the comparing with x minus h whole square by a square minus plus y minus k whole square by b square equal to 1. Here h is equal to 1, k is equal to 1. A square is equal to 3, b square is equal to 9. Here a is less than b. A is less than b. Here a square value 3, b square value 9. So here a is less than b. Find the eccentricity. B square minus a square by b square. Here b is greater than a. So starting and ending with b square. B square 9, a square 3, b square 9. 9 minus 3, 6 by 9. 3 table 3 2s are 3 3s are. So root 2 by 3 is the eccentricity. Second one is coordinates of foci. S and S dash. H comma k plus or minus b e. H 1 k 1 plus or minus b. B square is equal to 9. B square is equal to 9 means b square is equal to 9 means b equal to 3. 3 into e. E is equal to root 2 by root 3. This is the foci. Again it can be changed into 1 comma 1 plus or minus 3 root 2 by root 3 multiply divided with root 3 root 3 root 3 3 cancel. So 1 comma 1 plus or minus root 2 into root 3 root 6. So 1 comma 1 plus or minus root 6. Next one is third one is length of the lattice rectum. Length of the lattice rectum PQ is equal to 2a square by b. 2 into a square 3. B is equal to 3. 3 3 get cancel. Length of the lattice rectum is equal to 2. Fourth one is equation of the directrices. Equation of the directrices y is equal to k plus or minus b by e. Y is equal to k 1 plus or minus b 3 e root 2 by root 3. So y is equal to 1 plus or minus taking root 3 numerator 3 root 3 by root 2. Here taking LCM root 2. Root 2 into 1 root 2 plus or minus 3 root 3 taking root 2 left side. So root 2 y is equal to root 2 plus or minus 3 root 3 is the equation of the directrices. This is the process. First of all, given equation transformed or reduced into various forms of the ellipses. Find the value h comma k and a comma b by using the formulas. This is the most important problem.